Well, good afternoon, everyone. It is Saturday, January 31st, 2009, and it's Melissa here giving you an update on our P90X Transformation Challenge that we started 1 week ago today. So week 1 is already down in the record books and 11 more weeks to go on our Transformation Challenge. So that means today we're starting over again with, well, the first 3 weeks you do the program. You start at week 1 and you repeat it 3 times, and then the 4th week is a recovery week. So we'll be starting over and repeating what we did last week. So today we're going to be doing chest and back and ab ripper X, which was one of my favorite workouts, and I really enjoyed that a lot. So we're looking forward to that this evening. We did the Kempo X last night. That was fun, actually enjoyable to do on a Friday night. We kind of laughed about it, saying, you know, some people go out on Friday night and whatnot, and we are doing Kempo X in our living room. But there's no other place I'd rather be, I guess, than doing some cardio in the living room on a Friday night, huh? But we enjoyed it. We had fun, laughed a lot with the punching and kicking, and just had a good workout. It wasn't as intense, I guess, as I had expected or anticipated, but it still was. It was very worthwhile and fit for what I wanted to do on a Friday night. If I hadn't, some of these workouts, if I wasn't doing my running along with them, I wouldn't feel like it was enough for me for the day. I would have, if I had just done the Kempo X yesterday, I would have thought that I didn't work myself hard enough. But again, like I said in my last video, maybe I need to change my perception on that. So I'm sure that the recovery weeks are going to be a little more difficult for me because of, not that it'll be easy by any means, but that it might not be as intense as the other weeks. So I'm glad to have my running along with it. So had fun with the Kempo. Today we're starting over with chest, back, and abs, and looking forward to that this evening. So far everything has been fantastic, and I've been looking on YouTube at some of the other transformation videos people have posted on there, and it's just really exciting to see what P90X has done for people, and I really believe that it's going to have tremendous results with us as well. I mean, even after just 1 week of doing the program, I can see some visible results in my abs. I just feel more toned. And I weighed myself. I wanted to tell you about that. I weigh myself every Friday, and I know the whole deal about you can't worry about the numbers on the scale and all that stuff, which is something I'll explain in another video, why I do have that issue with the numbers, but that has gotten better over the years. But I was a little worried to weigh myself, thinking, even though muscle weighs more than fat, we know that muscle is good, we know that it's metabolically active, and we want it, we can burn calories at rest. Cognitively and intellectually, I know all that, but if I were to step on the scale and see a 5-pound gain, yes, that would freak me out a little bit. So, and I had heard from other people talking about that it's quite possible that can happen because of the muscle tearing and injury, and you may have retain some water, fluid, and all of that. Okay, all of that said, I was a little nervous to step on the scale on Friday for my weekly weigh-in, but my weight was relatively unchanged. I lost 0.2, so pretty much the same for the first week, which is just fine with me. I don't care if I lose any weight. I'm looking to get more toned, to build muscle, to really rip my core and build my leg strength for the marathon. That's what I'm looking for. So it's not really a vanity issue or a number on the scale. It is more about feeling, just pushing myself to see what my body can do, and constantly pushing my limits with myself. When I was in grade school, I couldn't even do 1 pull-up, and you know, it was humiliating for me to have to do that in gym class. Some of the things we were forced to do made me the focus of a lot of ridicule. So to see myself now, it's incredible how far I've come. But I'm going to talk about that in a different video when I tell you the history of my weight woes. But anyway, that's it for today. Starting over, we have finished week 1, moving on to week 2. So thank you very much for following our journey. And please subscribe to my YouTube videos. Newsworthy822 is my username, subscriber name, and also my email address, newsworthy822@aol.com. and my Facebook. Just send me a message and I will be glad to add you as a friend. Thanks for watching.